All right, we're on the Kalli River Rapids at Disney Animal Kingdom, doing a little pre-anniversary getaway, and Anne-Marie is going to get soaked.
Oh,
you ready for this?
Oh no.
You're going to get wet.
Oh no.
It's like a class 3 river rapids at some point, so let's see what happens. And some of the people on the boat have already got them pretty wet. We'll just have to see what happens here. Oh no, what's going to happen? Here comes the big drop.
Whoever's backwards usually gets
But it
wet.
keeps rotating.
Oh boy. Is it a big drop? Oh yes.
Oh, here we go. It may rotate. They just did a full rotation.
They did?
Yeah.
Did they go? Oh no, it's wrong. Oh no. Oh no.
It's going to be you guys.
Oh, maybe.
Looks like they're going to get soaked. Unless we turn. Whoa.
Nobody got drenched.
Yeah.
Oh! Touched on my whole side. Soggy butt.
Gotcha. Oh. Feels good so far.
Oh, I'm cold now.
River's starting to pick up. Uh-oh. Here comes some water.
This thing is spinning around a little bit.
Uh-oh. Oh no! Ah! Gotcha! How was that?
Pretty wet on his side.
I'm not too bad yet. She said she was going to have the wettest seat on the whole boat. I think you got wetter.
Is that all?
No, there's still these elephants that spray you. The guys on the bridge are making us get wet from these elephants, so we get to thank them. Yeah, that was pretty good time. Thanks!
Ah, it's cold.
All right, that was pretty fun.
She got pretty wet.
Say goodbye. That was fun. Our first trip to Animal Kingdom together without the kids. It was a blast. I like you.